Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to show you how to download Halifax banking application on your iOS device. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, open your App Store and in the search box at the top, type in Halifax and search. Once you come across this application in the search result, simply go ahead and tap on it. Your application logo should look like this. Tap on the Get button to start downloading Halifax mobile banking application. Wait until your application gets downloaded and simply launch it open. To get started and sign into your online banking account right from your mobile devices or register to a new online banking account from Halifax. So that is how you can easily download Halifax mobile banking application on your iPhone. That is it for today. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.